Welcome to the Master Your Natural Voice digital course. This time that you are spending with these modules is helping you to know your instrument. So here's a look at what we will talk about in this lesson. These modules are building blocks. This module is one that really could potentially be a game changer for you, potentially save your voice. Let's get to singing. I'm gonna just start in D major. Still warming up today, y'all. Your chest voice, mixed voice, head voice, with exercises to help you target them. We want our instrument to sound like one voice. But we're gonna start on E, then E, then Ah. I didn't go E, E, Ah, I didn't do that. Let me show you some examples.
The girl in the other room, she knows. Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
You ready to be a kid? Today's lesson is all about the mix. Picture these are your chords, so it sounds a little like this. So have fun with that one. That last exercise brings me to a good point. Vowels are everything. Let's go ahead and jump into it so you can feel what I mean. Here are some tips on how to work this stuff into your life. Welcome back. Let's try the breathe and hold together, not to be confused with bend and snap. I'm feeling a really good stretch. It's okay if you can only do one first and then work up to two in a row, okay? Totally fine. Oh, nice chord. So what is it doing? Let's talk about the whys. Let's look a bit more at the how. I'm gonna give you some very real examples of when. I hope you are geeking out about this stuff as much as I am. I just think it's amazing. Start by simply teaching you the notes of the two patterns, and then I'll give you all the different ways to do them. Okay, so here we go. Let's now plug in the exercises. I will have some other options and different keys in the lesson activities section as well as in the subscriber hub. And I call it the Tap Dancing Bunny story. Out of nowhere, they pulled out a chart and said, can you sound like Bonnie Tyler, from the 80s, Total Eclipse of the Heart? Yeah, I can do that. On the days that my voice just said, nope, I still needed to go and do my job. I was singing with the Los Angeles Master Chorale on the weekend, in a show at Disneyland 4 to 5 days a week, for film and TV scoring sessions whenever they would arise, because you never say no. Simply doing these exercises in repetition with consistency, that all made me as good as new. Actually, probably even better. Please heed my advice and learn from my mistakes. It will develop. Give yourself grace. Celebrate the wins, y'all. I will see you in the next lesson.